up? I wanted to make a quick video today to show you guys what's in my fridge, in my pantry, what kind of foods I keep in the house, what I have on my meal plan, because it's a fairly common question for me. I actually just did a blog post not too long ago. I will link that below on how I make fitness easy as a health coach. And that's not to say that I don't work and I don't go through the motions, but I don't believe in restricting yourself in order to reach your goals. So I'm going to show you guys how I find balance in my kitchen and the foods that we eat to keep ourselves happy and healthy at the same time. So keep watching. Let's go. So number one is fruit. I love to keep fruit in the house because it's easy and it's quick and it's healthy and it's perfect for me and able for a quick snack, and I throw a couple in there for Trevor's lunches just to make sure that he's actually eating something. So oddly enough, this is an apple. But this week I went with peaches, and I always have a collection of bananas to eat by themselves and then to throw into my smoothies because I love to make smoothies, but I'll get into that in just a minute. Other than that, we have breakfast goodies, which is not something that you would normally see in probably a health coach's kitchen, but Abel loves them, and I think they're a really nice treat to have. I don't think you should limit yourself. So I keep chocolate chip, there's banana nut, which is my favorite, lemon poppy seed, blueberry, we alternate. But that is my fruit corner. As far as the pantry goes, I imagine it's pretty standard. My favorite cereal of all time, Honey Bunches with strawberries. I love it. Can't get enough. There's Golden Grahams back there. Rice pilaf, because I love rice pilaf. We go through a lot of peanut butter. Smoothies, peanut butter sandwiches, along with honey. There's some sandwich crackers. These are delicious. Abel loves those. And they're grilled cheese flavored. I've never seen the grilled cheese flavored, but it's amazing. I keep fruit leathers. I always have pasta sauce. Trevor hates pasta. But I'm Italian and I love pasta, so I keep it anyways. And as you can see, I've got a plethora of canned food that I never touch. It's usually just stuff to add to recipes. Beans for chili, cranberry sauce, tomatoes, diced tomatoes, lots of canned vegetables just in case I need to throw them into some sort of stew or something. I've got lots of, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, all that good stuff. It's all back there. Hardly ever use it, but in case I need it, it's there. And bread. I don't know about you guys, but we go through a lot of bread. This is my favorite bread. Abel's favorite too. Country potato, nothing real special. Bread, hot dog buns, pretty much whatever I'm making for that week, I keep that. And then the box of chips, which is not ideal. But you know what? I have a toddler. And he likes chips, and chips are easy. So I buy this big bag. It's like $8.99, and it lasts us about 2 weeks. So I'll take it. So as you can see, all the refrigerated fruit. And I just went shopping yesterday, so everything is super full and it looks delicious. Strawberries, pineapple, honeydew. There's watermelon, grapes. We always have butter. And these yogurts right here, you can see my treat yogurts in the back. Those are the Oreo ones. They're the best. But these ones are the Yoplait fruit side. And my favorite flavors are the peach and the strawberry. They are delicious. Then drinks. I don't really have anything all that special. I get unsweetened tea. I don't drink sweet tea. I used to love sweet tea. It's too much for me anymore. This is my smoothie yogurt. The simple vanilla Greek yogurt. Always have the almond milk. Trevor's beer, which, whatevs. More candy yogurts because you have to have them. Water, I got carrots, I got tortillas, I got lots of cheese. It's a pretty standard fridge. And eggs. So I'm not eating anything real special. freezer is where we keep all the good stuff. We got our pizza. Tonight's pizza night. We have a Friday pizza night every week. Thin crust is our favorite. This one's Trevor's favorite right here. This barbecue chicken. I love the roasted garlic, and I always get a pepperoni because you can't have pizza without pepperoni, right? We've always got breakfast sandwiches. My favorite is the bacon, egg, and cheese, which is why we have 2 boxes. Super easy to throw into Trevor's lunch. Super easy to grab for me and Abel when we're running out of the house, have stuff to do. I love breakfast sandwiches. And corn dogs, because Trevor is a man and he has to have corn dogs, so there's that. Got seasoned chicken for chicken tacos. I get that at Trader Joe's. It's delicious. If you ever have a chance to make it to Trader Joe's, you need to check it out. Ground beef, lots of ground beef. We keep French fries for barbecue nights, easy nights, whatever. My son is a toddler, and a lot of times he will only eat French fries, so I keep French fries on deck. We've got ice cream and more ice cream. So there you guys have it. That's what I keep in the house. Those are things that are pretty regularly on my grocery list. I love breakfast sandwiches. I love making my own smoothies. I like turkey sandwiches and burgers and simple meats and chicken tacos and rice and all the things that bring me and my family nutritional value without making us feel like we are restricted. And to me, that's what healthy is. It's feeding your body the good things that it needs while also enjoying your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, check out that blog. Feel free to email me or message me on my Instagram and I will get back to you. But for now, that's all I got. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.